This is my sort of socket screwdriver set. It's a bit hard to get open. It does have these grips on the edges here. As you can see, screwdriver bits here, socket sets here, ratchet screw, well, ratchet turning in there, an extra tray here, screwdriver and extensions and such like. So see all of them, and I can take this tray out, and it does have a sort of compartment under here. Also has a compartment under the screwdriver, well, a couple of compartments under the screwdriver bits. There's a hair on there, or piece of filament probably, piece of very thin filament. Make sure you put this in the right way around, otherwise it won't close because of the hinges. Put that in, put that in, close it. Press the clip, just hook on here, see, and they've got these edges that you can grip on to. Very hard to do this. This is a bit outlined, this. Now in the model, I think my printer's out of skew. I need to do there's a skew test, and there's de-skewing option you can do in Marlin. I'll show you it upside down. Shake it about. I aren't fiddling this, to be honest with you. I'm not fiddling it. There's no reason for me to fiddle it. Oh, this one is a bit tight, that one on the right, but it's probably wearing. And you can see all the screwdriver bits are still in the places. All the socket sets are still in the places. This has moved a bit, this long one. But apart from that, oh, this one's moved a bit, this one here, but apart from that, they're all pretty much in the same position, that's because it has this sort of relief in the lid here to hold these down. It has these sort of chamfers on here to hold the screwdriver bits, and like these holes in here for the socket sets, same for screwdriver bits, etc, etc, etc. So that's as far as it opens, by the way, just slightly over 90 degrees. Look at the state of this. Can you see this? It's almost like lace separation. It's almost like the layers are moved, and it's not printed properly. But the model's online, and your printer will probably be a bit better condition than mine for doing such things, I think. Not much more I can say about it really. So as I say, these clips are quite strong, and I'm going to try and see that. I'm going to shake that. I'm not holding the lid part there, and the weight of all those sockets isn't making that lid come loose. Even if one came loose, the other one would probably still be fastened, and that would be like strong enough. Like you see there, after all that shaking, screwdriver bits still in order. So it can take quite a few screwdriver bits, as you can see there. I'm going to probably add a few more, some security bits to this. I've got these 6.5, is it? You see the one there, like hexagon. All the same sort of shafts. That's this screwdriver here, which has a place for, so we can put the screwdriver bit on. Ratchet in this case. These tend to go almost pretty straight up and down, even though there's things at angles. A bit of fine filament still on here. Right. I was thinking of printing out some separate letters to sort of stick on the top, you know, like to indicate this is a socket set, keep your maulers off sort of thing. I don't know, I might do that separately from this. So there's a like hinge, pretty strong. So there's a line there as well when it's been printed. See that? But certainly lines there. My printer's offline at the moment. The BL Touch needle thing is broken. I've got some more on orders. Got caught somehow and bent, and when I tried to straighten it, it snapped off. Mind you, I was being too rough with it. Right. There we are.